We're reviewing a wireless combo keyboard known as PC370A, mouse model PC230A-1. Let's open this up and show you what you get inside and what it looks like. Taking a closer look over the product, we have an optical mouse, a keyboard that can go onto a Surface, a tablet, etc., not a regular laptop. You're going to supply your own AAA batteries, 2 for the mouse. Over here, 2 for the keyboard. A little difficult at first to get off. You have an on and off switch of both products. Turn your Bluetooth keyboard on. It lights up. Take your keyboard, place it in, and turn on your mouse and set up. Let's not forget, right over here on the side, you have a Bluetooth dongle that is needed to set your mouse up with. 2.4 gigahertz keyboard. Device is ready for the keyboard, mouse, ready to use. I could close my windows down. I could right click, open up your text document, and simply type away anything you like to say. Well, I made a mistake and I could back out and go to say. So there you have it. You know, this is for a Windows, an iOS device, anything that you could hook up a tablet to. You're given an instruction manual, very simple to do, a very easy mouse indeed. So if you're looking for that keyboard combination mouse set for a tablet, something that you want to use, this is the product right for you. It takes 2 AAA batteries per device and will work for quite a long time. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for your tablet needs.